Right, we have to factorize f of x, this cubic, 2x cubed minus x squared minus 13x minus 6 for question 16. Okay, so let's look for some factors then. What about f of 1? Let's try that. We're going to get 2 here. 2 times 1 cubed is 2. That's minus 1 squared, which is minus 1. This will be minus 13. And then we've got a minus 6 at the end. So that's nowhere near 0, is it? And then f of, say, minus 1. Let's try that. So we get 2 times minus 1 cubed. I'll just write it down. Minus 1 squared minus 13 times the minus 1 minus 6. That will equal minus 2 minus 1, because 1 minus 1 squared is 1, so that'll be a minus 1. Then we've got minus times a minus, 13. And then we've got a minus 6. So you've got 13 take 6, take away 3. That doesn't equal 0. So let's try f of minus 2 then. Let's try that one. What do we get? 2 times minus 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 13 times minus 2 and then a minus 6. So this is minus 8 times 2 minus 16. This is 4 with a minus in front, so minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 13 is plus 26, and then you've got a minus 6. So what have we got then? Minus 20, minus 26, plus 26. Yep, that equals 0. So x minus 2, so that's x plus 2 is a factor. Now let's try and work out the other factors then. So we can try and do that by inspection. So here, x plus 2 times something will equal that quadratic, and it was 2x cubed minus minus the x squared minus 13x minus 6. So to get an x cubed from the x, we need a 2x squared to start with. Then we'll have 2x squared plus 2x cubed plus 4x squared. We want a minus x squared, so I'll need to put minus 5x so that the x squareds combine with the 4. Take 5 will give minus x squared. Now we want 13x to come out. Now the x comes out from this 10 so far, minus 10. So I need a minus 3 to make it minus 13x. So I'll have to have a minus 3. And then we can see the constant term here will be minus 6, which is what we wanted. So yeah, I think that's okay. So let's try and factorize. So what have we got? Fx equals then? It will be x plus 2. Now we just have to factorize this quadratic, so I'm going to write 2x and x. Now the 3, and we want a difference of 5, so clearly that 3 must go here to be with the 2 to make 6, and the 1x is 1, the difference being 5. This needs to be a minus, this needs to be a plus. So I've got a feeling that that's the answer there. The only thing you could think about double checking at the end of a test or something, or exam, would be to check that this was right, but I'm fairly comfortable with it. Let's have a quick check. We got 2x cubed, which is fine. The x squared term then will be minus 5x squared plus 4x squared. That's that term. Now the x term, that comes from minus 3x minus 10, which is minus 13x, and then the constant term can only come from here, the minus 6. So that's it. Good.